Decoding communication, essentials, qualities, and significance. Dr. Carla Benjamil, University of 8 May 1945 Gelmer. Welcome back to the second section of our lecture, Recognizing and Understanding Communication Styles. In this segment, we will delve into three crucial aspects. Firstly, we'll define human communication. Secondly, we'll explore various qualities or characteristics of communication. And finally, we'll address the fundamental question of why communication holds such importance. What is communication? Defining communication is not a straightforward task, as the term is used in various ways that only loosely connect. A dog signals its desire to go outside by scratching at the back door. Information moves from one computer database to another. A satellite sends out a signal. Strangers living far apart establish a relationship through social media. Locals provide directions to lost visitors from out of town. A civic leader encourages citizens to become more engaged in aiding homeless. These examples are generally considered forms of communication. However, in our exploration, we will specifically focus on human communication, excluding animal behavior, computer networks, and satellite communications, as these are not our primary areas of interest in this lecture. Also, it's important to note the distinction between communications with an S, which generally refers to the technologies enabling information exchange, and communication without an S. Let us get started. Communication is a fundamental aspect of human interaction and a complex process that involves the exchange of information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings between individuals or groups. Scholars and experts from various fields have provided comprehensive definitions of communication, reflecting its multifaceted nature. One widely recognized definition comes from Shannon and Weaver, who proposed a mathematical model of communication in their 1949 book The Mathematical Theory of Communication. They defined communication as follows. Communication is the process by which one mind may affect another through the transmission of symbols. This definition emphasizes the role of symbols, such as language, gestures, or signals, in transmitting information and influencing the thoughts or actions of others. It highlights the essential components of communication, including a sender, a message, a channel or medium, and a receiver. Another influential perspective on communication comes from Joseph DeVito, a prominent communication scholar. In his book The Interpersonal Communication Book, DeVito defines communication as follows. Communication is the process of generating meaning by sending and receiving verbal and nonverbal symbols in interactions with others. DeVito's definition underscores the significance of generating shared meaning through the exchange of symbols, which can be both verbal, spoken or written language, and nonverbal, body language, facial expressions, tone of voice, etc. Communication is not merely about transmitting information but also about interpreting and understanding that information in a social context. In the realm of mass communication, communication scholar Dennis McQuail provides a comprehensive definition which stipulates that communication is the creation and use of symbol systems that convey information and meaning. McQuail's definition highlights the role of symbol systems in conveying information and meaning, which is crucial in various forms of mass media, including television, radio, newspapers, and digital media. Furthermore, Brenda Dervin, a communication theorist, offers a more process-oriented definition in her book, Communication, Information, and Understanding. Communication is the process by which people create and use messages to generate meanings across various contexts, cultures, channels, and media. It involves encoding and decoding messages, and it occurs through both verbal and nonverbal interactions. Dervin's definition underscores the dynamic nature of communication, involving the creation and interpretation of messages within diverse contexts and through different modes of expression. In Understanding Human Communication, Ronald B. Adler, George Rodman, and Athena Dupree define it as the following. Communication is the process of constructing meaning through symbolic interaction. In summary, communication is a multifaceted process that involves the exchange of symbols, both verbal and non-verbal, to generate shared meanings among individuals or groups. These definitions by experts like Shannon and Weaver, DeVito, McQuail, Dervin, and Ronald B. Adler, George Rodman, Athena Dupree emphasize the importance of symbols, information exchange, and shared understanding in the communication process. 2. Qualities of communication. According to Understanding Human Communication by Ronald B. Adler et al., communication possesses three fundamental qualities that need further exploration. Qualities of communication. Communication is a process. Communication is relational. Communication is symbolic. 1. Communication is a process. Contrary to viewing communication as a series of isolated acts, it is, in fact, an ongoing and continuous process. It takes into account various factors, including one's relationship with others, their analytical skills, open-mindedness, past interactions, and the seriousness of the conversation. Communication is more akin to an unfolding movie, where meaning emerges from interrelated experiences, rather than a collection of disconnected episodes. 2. Communication is relational. Communication is not an action done to others but rather something done with them, akin to a dance that requires a partner's involvement. Effective communication entails adapting and coordinating efforts, just as skilled dancers must consider their partner's abilities. It is a collaborative process, and the success of communication is contingent on interaction with others. 3. Communication is symbolic. Words function as symbols that represent people, objects, ideas, and events, enabling us to communicate about them. Words are not just literal, but they carry meaning and significance beyond their surface definitions. Now, let us move on to answering the question of why communication is important. People spend a significant amount of time communicating for various reasons, as communication is a fundamental aspect of human interaction and society. Here are some key reasons why people invest so much time in communication. Cultural transmission and societal integration. Communication is the bridge that connects our cultural legacy across generations, preserving traditions and passing them on. Simultaneously, it plays a central role in facilitating social connection and understanding among diverse perspectives. This interplay helps societies navigate their shared journey, honoring the past while charting a course for the future. Information exchange. Beyond fostering connections, communication plays a pivotal role in the exchange of information, knowledge, and ideas. It is the lifeblood of informed decision-making and our compass in navigating the ever-evolving landscape of current events. Expressing emotions. Emotions find their voice in communication, allowing us to articulate our innermost thoughts, feelings, and sentiments. It acts as a vital therapeutic outlet, offering emotional support, alleviating stress, and nurturing our mental well-being. Through the act of sharing, we lighten the emotional burdens we carry. Problem solving. In the intricate dance of human relationships, conflicts inevitably arise. Effective communication stands as the linchpin for resolving these disputes, addressing issues, and forging solutions. It promotes collaboration and unity by fostering understanding and compromise among individuals and groups. Influence and persuasion. Whether in personal relationships or the professional arena, communication is a powerful tool for influencing and persuading others. It empowers us to sway opinions, negotiate, and advocate for our interests. Effective communicators possess the ability to shape outcomes and build consensus. Entertainment. Literature, film, music, and theatre serve as captivating forms of communication, offering not only leisure but also a glimpse into the kaleidoscope of human creativity. They provide a source of relaxation and enjoyment, uniting individuals through shared cultural experiences. Identity crafting and expression. Communication, extending beyond words, shapes our identity through appearance, actions, and speech. It conveys beliefs, values, and narratives, fostering connections based on understanding. This includes how we dress, act, and speak, offering insights into character and values, fostering deeper connections. Education and learning. Within the realm of education, communication is the cornerstone. Teachers use it to impart knowledge, while students use it to ask questions and engage in discussions that promote learning. It is the medium through which understanding is cultivated and enlightenment achieved. Relationship management. Effective communication is the bedrock of relationship management. The happiest friendships and romantic partnerships are characterized by strong communication, marked by active listening and the sharing of personal feelings and information. Goal accomplishment. Communication is the linguistic currency of goal accomplishment. It allows us to share objectives and collaborate with others, from requesting a new hairstyle from a stylist to launching a flourishing career. Why is communication important? Cultural transmission and societal integration. Information exchange. Expressing emotions. Problem solving. Influence and persuasion. Entertainment. Goal accomplishment. Identity crafting and expression. Education and learning. Relationship management. In summary, communication is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of social integration, identity expression, relationship management, goal attainment, education, and persuasion. Beyond personal and social benefits, it is a coveted asset in the professional arena, shaping job opportunities and success. Employers prize strong communicators for their ability to work in teams, communicate effectively in writing and speech, and navigate diverse organizational landscapes. Effective communication transcends the workplace, enriching our lives with personal fulfillment, learning, connections, conflict resolution, and a sense of belonging in the mosaic of human existence. Thank you for joining us in this second section of our lecture, Recognizing and Understanding Communication Styles. We've covered the essentials, including defining human communication, exploring its qualities, and understanding its significance. Coming up, in the final section of our lecture, we'll delve into various communication styles, shedding light on the diverse ways individuals express themselves and connect with others.